Longleaf pine savannas like this one used to cover much of the Gulf South, stretching all the way from Louisiana through the Gulf Coast, all the way up to North Carolina.
At their peak, they covered about 90 million acres. Check out these burn scars. Longleaf pines have a really thick bark that protects that sensitive cambium layer that sits right underneath the bark and is essentially responsible for trunk growth. And these young longleaf pine can spend several years in what's called a grass stage to keep their growing tips protected by a really dense cluster of pine needles. And after a fire passes, they grow super quickly to try and get out of the fire zone before another fire. That's probably where this little guy is now. Fires from lightning used to burn through here every 1 to 3 years and prevented plants like these swamp tai and inkberry hardwoods from taking over. Even other pines like the very fast-growing bottomland hardwood loblolly will crowd out longleaf without fire. It's winter now, but you can still see the really biodiverse understory with dense grasses and wildflowers.
The fuel for the fire.
And here's a peach-colored fly agaric, which is mycorrhizal or symbiotic with pine and oak trees and fruits in fall and winter. And apparently it's hallucinogenic, but also poisonous, so I don't know about that. And gopher tortoises here create burrows that shelter hundreds of other species. And of course, there's a red-cockaded woodpecker that has a strong preference for nesting in live longleaf pine. If this doesn't make your top 5 ecosystems list, I don't even know what to tell you. It's just so beautiful.